Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something crucial for every aspiring coder out there, what it really takes to land a coding job. This isn't just about mastering a language or building an impressive resume. It's about understanding what employers actually want and how you can align your skills to meet those expectations. So if you're wondering what will help you stand out in this competitive field, stick around. We're going to break down the essential qualities and skills that hiring managers are really looking for and how you can start honing them today. First up, problem-solving skills. Programming is at its core about solving problems. It's not enough to know syntax or even how to make something work. It's about understanding why it works and being able to troubleshoot when it doesn't. Employers want to know if you can analyze a challenge, break it down into manageable pieces, and find solutions, often under pressure. Imagine you're given a project with some ambiguous requirements, or you're faced with a bug that just won't go away. This is where critical thinking, adaptability, and creativity come into play. Employers love candidates who can take a step back, think logically, and come up with innovative approaches that not only fix the issue, but add value to the overall project. So practice problem solving wherever you can. Take on challenging projects, build your own debugging strategies, and experiment with new solutions. The more you strengthen this skill, the more valuable you'll become to potential employers. Next, let's talk about communication skills. Yes, coding is often seen as a solo endeavor, but in the real world, effective communication is key. Employers want to know if you can explain complex technical ideas in a way that's clear and understandable to both technical and non-technical people alike. Think about it. You'll likely need to present your code to teammates, explain your reasoning to project managers, and maybe even justify decisions to clients. If you're someone who can articulate your thought process, listen actively, and ask the right questions, you're already ahead of the curve. Effective communication isn't just about speaking either. It's about writing clear documentation, participating in code reviews, and collaborating on solutions that involve multiple stakeholders. So practice explaining your code, writing summaries for your projects, and even blogging about your coding experiences. Communication is as important as coding when it comes to building trust and creating successful outcomes. That brings us to teamwork skills. In almost any coding job, you'll be working with others, whether it's with fellow developers, designers, or product managers. Employers want to know if you can collaborate, share ideas, and support your team in achieving a common goal. Imagine working on a complex project with tight deadlines. A good team player knows how to communicate updates, ask for help, and provide feedback in a constructive way. It's about mutual respect, shared ownership, and a focus on building something greater together. To practice teamwork, contribute to open source projects, join hackathons, or simply work on collaborative projects with friends. These experiences show employers that you're not just skilled, but also adaptable and ready to work within a team to produce great results. Another essential trait, learning agility. The tech world is always evolving. Employers are looking for people who are not only skilled at what they know now, but are also excited to keep learning. Technologies, frameworks, and tools change, and those who can adapt quickly are incredibly valuable. Being a lifelong learner means you're open to exploring new languages, frameworks, and even paradigms of coding. You're the person who's willing to dive into a tutorial over the weekend or try a new tool that could optimize your work. Stay current by dedicating time to professional growth. Employers will notice if you're the type of person who can quickly adapt, absorb new information, and remain flexible as the industry evolves. And finally, passion and enthusiasm. Employers want to see that you genuinely love coding. They want to know that you're excited about problem solving, that you enjoy the creative process, and that you're invested in learning and growing. A genuine passion for coding is what drives you to improve, innovate, and continue honing your skills even when things get tough. When you demonstrate a love for what you do, it shows in the quality of your work. Passionate programmers are proactive. They volunteer for projects, share ideas, and bring a contagious enthusiasm to the team. They're always learning, always exploring, and always pushing themselves to be better. So ask yourself, what do you love about coding? What excites you? Let that passion show in your portfolio, your projects, and your interviews. Employers value people who are not only skilled, but also genuinely driven to make an impact. Now, here's an essential point: practical experience. All these skills are essential, but nothing beats practical hands-on experience. Employers love seeing a portfolio filled with real-world projects, open-source contributions, and relevant internships or freelance work. If you haven't had the chance to get real-world experience yet, start building. Create personal projects, contribute to open source, or even volunteer to help a local business with a coding solution. Real-world experience shows employers that you're proactive, that you understand how to apply your skills in actual situations, and that you're serious about becoming a valuable asset to their team. So, what's the main takeaway? Landing a coding job is about so much more than knowing the latest language or framework. It's about building a balanced set of skills: problem solving, communication, teamwork, adaptability, and a genuine passion for what you do. Employers want someone who can fit into their team, adapt to new challenges, and bring fresh ideas. Start building these skills now. Practice them in real-world scenarios. Communicate your journey and let your passion shine through. Remember, every project you complete, every problem you solve, and every new skill you learn is one step closer to your goal. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this gave you some valuable insight into what employers really look for. If this helped, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and keep pushing yourself toward that dream coding job. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.